Next book. Dogman. One time George met Harlan in kindergarten. Nice to meet you. Me too. They became best friends and started making comics. Their very first comic was an epic novel called. Over many years, they made tons of Dogman comic books. Then one day, in the 4th grade, they got an idea. They started making new Captain Underpants books. Soon their lives got really complicated. There was danger. There was danger. And the ridiculous pilot lines. And just then it seemed like things could get any worse. Things got better. Hey. All the drama they had come to the end. But there were still lots of answers. Where are you, W? I told Ireland. And Durant. George and Harlan searched for their treehouse for clues. But soon they got distracted. Hey, look. Oh, cool. It's a box full of old Dogman comics we made when we were kids. Hey, I forgot all about these. They read for hours. Ha 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 ha. Crack me up. Look how you used to draw, old school. And look how bad you used to spell. Well, what should we do now? Let's make a new comic book about Captain Underpants. Now let's do something different. How about a Dogman comic? Okay. And together their two friends wrote and drew and laughed all afternoon. George tried to spell more better. And Harlan tried to draw more simpler. And Thun's Dogman. Whoa. Thun's Dogman was reborn. Class, enjoy it. Enjoy it. Dogman. A hero is unleashed by George and Harlan. Dogman by George and Harlan. Beep beep, oh boy. Luke and Andrew's furniture. My new couch is here. She is a real beauty chef, I know. We put in it in your office. Thanks, Phil. Thanks, fellas. Fellows. I can't wait to be the first one to sit on it. Calling our cops. come to my office. You can watch me break in my brand new couch. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Hey, office night and you got dirty shoes and hair everywhere. You are the worst cop ever. Get out of my sight. Oh man, Sheriff is really mad at us again. I wish we could do something hero inspiration. That cop and the police dog are back. Who cares? Aren't you worse about those two? Heck no. Check this out. Officer Knight is a tough cop, but he ain't got brains. And Gurg is a dog. The dog is smart, but his body is genius. Yeah, but work if they work together. That might be a problem. I've got a solution. Help! It's a bomb. Officer Knight and Grand defense. What fire should I cut? Red or green? Kabuli! Oh, not. I forgot dogs are color blind. And soon. How do you feel, old friend? Rough. Me too. Soon the doctor came in with some super sad news. Boo hoo hoo. I'm sorry, Guru Gain, but your body is dying and your head is dying too, cop. Rats, I sure hate my dying head. But just when all seemed lost, hey, why don't we screw Gurg's head into the cop's body? Good idea, nurse lady. You are a genius. Hooray! So they had an operation. The doctor cut off Gurg's head and screwed it into the cop's body. What a lucky day. And soon a brand new crime fighting season was unleashed. Hooray for Dogman. The news spread quickly. Dogman is the world's greatest cop. Rats. I unwittingly created the greatest cop of ever. Fortunately, I know just how to stop him. Next day, well. So you're the world's most greatest cop, eh? Well, you better watch your step around here, bub. I'm gonna keep my eye on you. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Get out of here! Poor dog man, they had started out badly. His things were about to get worse. Ha ha ha. What's so funny today? I'm going to destroy the dog man once for all. How? Tell me what are all dogs afraid of? Firecrackers? Well, yes, I suppose it's true. But dogs are also afraid of vacuum cleaners. I built this baby last night. Giri, I think firecrackers would have been easier. Who asked you? You did. Slap. This has thousands of dollars of the latest technology. Firecrackers only cost $5. Enough with the firecrackers. This is way cooler. And once turn it on, it will chase Dogman. And it won't stop until he gets sucked up. Ha ha ha. Yeehaw. Zoom. Oh yes, oh Dogman. Let's ready to combo. Go run, you haven't got a chance. This vacuum has a 60 HP motor and less power supplies, and the bag explodes so it gets stuck up almost anything. Then Dogman heard the world's almost. When Dogman heard the world almost, he got a good idea. Hey, let's get out of this water. Okay, I can't swim. Besides, this vacuum cleaner isn't supposed to get wet. No fair. Dogman dived into the dam. So vacuum started sucking up the steam. The big vacuum bag got flooded and flooded and flooded. Meanwhile, under the water, Dogman was losing the battle. Gulp! The vacuum cleaner had won the war. Or had he? I got to get out of here before this rag of seawater will burst. Whoa! Boink, boink. Petty grabbed on with his claws. Suddenly, the vacuum bag to rip. Petty got washed away in the super. It looked like he was the end. Hey, you saved me. You're not such a bad guy after all. I've got one word to say. You rats. So done for today. So we'll be reading the next Dogman book tomorrow or today. Bye guys.